gusto ko lang po ipaalam sa lahat. Hindi po ako nagpapaka-Richard po. I am thankful to Kuya Galen and Ate Rosel, one of our counselors. For when we started our premarital counseling, also with them, they challenged us. Sabi nila, naku, kayo, minsan na kayong magkita. Baka kapag every time na pupunta si Nay dito sa Manila, tapos sabi niya, malapit na naman yung wedding, baka go na lang kayo. They challenge us as to setting a line on how to show our affections towards each other. And since the start of the premarital counseling, mga kaibigan, hanggang cheek to cheek lang po, napakapulubi ko po. In the time of the engagement up to this day, sobrang pulubi ako sa kiss. Alam niyo naman, 5 seconds.
Brothers and sisters,